Hey everyone, it's me Paul again, and I'm here to give you a very interesting update. This is going to be the first time that I'm actually going to try and fill this thing up with water. I vacuumed it out, cleaned it out, got rid of the debris that I could, but nothing's perfect. But it should be good enough. I'm going to start with adding distilled water, the only water I really trust, and I don't want to contaminate the tank in any way that might damage it in the long run. So that's what I'm going to be working with. I just need to fill up the water high enough so that it covers up the bottom of the pump. Let's see if I can do this with just one more bottle of water. Either way, I'm going to have to drain this out once I'm done. I didn't bother putting the gravel in yet because this thing doesn't have the final destination set. I'm thinking about putting it in the living room, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So I'm just trying to leave this thing as mobile as possible, and water is extremely heavy. Thinking about just siphoning all of this out and storing it for later. Oh God, I hope this works. That should be high enough. Now, according to all the calculations I've made up until now, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't work. But it's just my anxiety talking, and I'm sure. Now, one of these plugs here goes to the air pump, and one of these goes to the water pump. Which one, I'm not entirely sure, and there's no real specifications on the cord, so I'm going to have to just try both and see what happens. Alright, here's hoping. Nothing? Okay, so I'm guessing that was the air pump. Here goes the water pump then. Oh, that's not good. Why aren't you working? I'm just hoping that this is some sort of issue where there's not enough water in here. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't be working. Well, that's really depressing. Let me try unplugging this and plugging it back in. Hard to even tell if the water is moving up the line right now because it's so dark. But I'm sure I can fix this either way. If it doesn't start working after this. Oh, it's working. Check that out. Oh, that is such a relief. My waterfall works. Maybe I should have just kicked up the flow a little bit, but this is good. This is extremely good. This is exactly how I wanted it to turn out. Oh, that is beautiful. Very, very pleased right now. I'm glad that I was able to record this and show you all. It's a very momentous occasion. I will be giving more updates once it's done. Next, I'm going to be adding the gravel, and then I'm going to be adding the next substrate level, and then after that, it's a matter of just adding the plants. I have such a good feeling about this now that the water is working. That was just the part that was scaring me the most. Anyway, I will catch you guys later, and thank you for watching. Later.